One full day. Agave Fields, a real tequila factory, and the most legendary Cantaritos spot in all of Mexico. This is the Tequila tour from Guadalajara, and it's exactly as good as it sounds. If you're visiting Guadalajara and you only do one thing, make it this. No driving, no planning, no stress. Just show up and enjoy a full-day guided experience with travelers from all over the world. Your morning starts with a visit to the Agave Fields, the heart of tequila production. Walk through rows of blue agave, learn what makes this plant so special, and yes, snap some incredible photos. There's even a giant swing. You won't want to miss that shot. Next up, a guided tequila tasting where you'll learn to tell the difference between Blanco, Reposado, and Anillo straight from the source. Whether you're a tequila lover or a total beginner, this part is genuinely fascinating. Then it's time for the factory tour. You'll see the entire production process up close, from raw agave to the bottle in your hand. A real behind-the-scenes look at one of Mexico's most iconic traditions. And to close the day, Cantaritos El Güero, the most famous Cantaritos spot in the region. Giant fresh-made Cantaritos, live music, and a party atmosphere that feels like nothing else. This is where the tour becomes a memory you'll talk about for years. Traveling solo? You'll fit right in. This is a group tour, so you'll meet people instantly. With your partner? It's romantic, scenic, and full of great photo moments. With friends? The party runs all day long. This tour works for everyone. Book your spot through the link below, spaces fill up fast. And when you go, tag us in your best photos. We want to see your Cantarito.